Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will see how to convert map into list using Java 8. So while working with Java, we might come up a situation where we want to convert map into list, and that's what we are going to see in this video. So here we have one map that is basically hash map and data type is integer string. So for the key we have data type as integer, and for the values we have data type as string. So this map, and inside that we have three entry, basically three key value pairs. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and the name, that is type of string John, Raj and Tom. So these are our keys, type of integer, and these are our values, type of string. Now out of this map we can create two lists. One is based on these keys. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So we will get list of integer. The another list we can get out of this map is for these values, that is type of string. So basically we will get list of string. So out of this map we can have two lists. One is list of integer and other is list of string. So let's see both the ways in this video. Okay, so let's go for it. So this is our map, and first we will go with the keys. Okay, so map dot keyset dot stream, we will use the stream API from Java 8 and we will use the collect. Now collectors to list, because we want to have list. Okay, so this will give us list of integer. So here we will collect it as list of integer, say key, or we can say int values, whatever. Okay, give any variable name. Let's import Java util list. Now let's print this list, okay, so that we can confirm that we are getting the expected output. So just print. You can have for each loop as well. Okay, this is completely up to you. Let's run this Java program. See, we got 1, 2, 3. So we got this list with the three values, basically size equal to 3 and values are 1, 2, 3. So this is basically our keys of this map. So we got list of integer. Now let's go for this string values, basically our values for the map, that is type of string. So using the map dot values, again we will use the string. We want to collect what we want to collect as list to collectors to list. So this stream API we applied on the values of this map. So this will give us the list of string values. So list of string str values. Now let's have one sysout to verify. Let's run our Java program again. See, this is one list of the keys, that is type of list of integer. The another list we have this type of string values. So these values of map we are getting in the second list, that is type of list of string values. So this is how you can convert map into list using Java 8. Link for the source code is provided in the description. Apart from this, in the description you will find the links for the courses that I am offering, like building the REST APIs with Spring Boot and Spring Data JPA, building microservices with Spring Boot and Spring Cloud, GraphQL with Spring Boot, MongoDB NoSQL database with Spring Boot, Graph database Neo4j with Spring Boot, RabbitMQ messaging with Java, Spring Boot and Spring MVC, building the reports from your Java and Spring Boot application with Jasper Reports, Java messaging service with Spring Boot, Spring MVC and Apache ActiveMQ. Links for these courses are given in the description. So click on the link and start learning new technologies. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, do comment in the comment section and share with your friends. We'll see you in the another video. Till then, happy learning and happy coding.